Hello everybody! I am doing another MicroPro grill demo. It's like becoming my new product. All my demos end up being MicroPro grill. But it's actually kind of late. It's actually midnight and we're just like, you know what, we haven't had dinner yet? Whatever, let's just stay up. Quarantine kind of has us all out of whack with our sleep schedule, so whatever. We're going to have pork loin and it's only going to take, give or take, about 20 minutes. So we thawed out a 1 pound pork loin, cut it in half so that it fits in the MicroPro grill, and seasoned it with salt and pepper. And we're going to put it in the grill position. So the MicroPro grill, if you remember, has two positions. It has the grill or the casserole. The casserole will sit on top, but the grill is going to push right down on there. Make sure that it's heavy, sitting on top of the pork loin. We're going to put this in the microwave for 6 minutes. 4 to 6 minutes, but we're going to go ahead and do 6 minutes on high. Then I'm going to mix together a little mustard crust recipe, and then while we wait, I'll just pause it and we'll come back and finish it up. Let me start this. Okay, we got that on 6 minutes. So for this mustard crust, we are using some breadcrumbs, and you can use any kind you want. It's about a 1/4 cup. Then we're going to use softened butter, 3/4 cup or a 1/4 cup of butter. Hope you can hear me over the microwave. And we got some honey Dijon mustard. You can use any kind of mustard you want. It's about 2 to 3 teaspoons, so we just put a tablespoon because it's about that anyways. So get that in there. And our spatula is really good for getting out stuff like that, even from these little spoons. And we're going to mix this all together. And then when the pork loin comes out, we're going to spread it over the pork loin. We're going to flip them. We're going to flip it first, and then we're going to spread it all over the pork loin. And then we're going to cook it for another 6 minutes or so. And then we just gotta check the temperature to make sure it's fully cooked. And as long as it's fully cooked, we'll be good to go. It'll rest for about 5 minutes and we'll be done. And we'll show you the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and finish mixing this up, and we'll come back when the first half of the pork loin is done. Alright, I just took it out. It's been 6 minutes. Let's get a look. It's very hot. Ooh, look at that. Touch it like, I'm trying to see. Can y'all see? It's non-stick, so it's, let's see if I can put this like this. There we go. Now, let me flip this. I don't know where I put my phone is. Have you seen them, Kurt? Oh, there they are. Ooh. So we're just going to flip it. Okay. Now, we're going to spread half of this on one and half of it on another. Make sure it's on there pretty good. It's going to start melting because it's butter, so let's go ahead and let it do its thing. Into the other half. Evenly distribute. I think I put a little bit more on that one. There we go. Go. Try to make sure it kind of tries to stay on the top so it can. There we go. This is going to cook down in there. It's already starting to melt. I think it's spread on there pretty well. Okay. Let's make sure we get it all. All right. Now, we're going to put the cover back on in the other position, not the grill, in this position. Even though it's pretty tall, so it doesn't really matter. So, now, we're going to cook it for another 6 minutes. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we're back. We did it for another 6 minutes. Let's go and see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. We just have to test it to see if the meat is fully done. They're both 136. All right, so let's put them back in for another. I don't think it should be fully. We're in for another 2 minutes. Okay, it's done. Let's check it out. Woohoo! Now we have to measure to see if it's at least 145. Yep, that was it. It's 151, 152. It's going up, so that's good. As long as it's between 145 and 160. Let's check this one. Yep. So it's done. And now we'll take it out and let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's see. There we go.